Back to my channel, and today I have a fall deep car cleaning video for you. I love giving my Ford Explorer a deep clean every season, and fall is no different. Like any cleaning task, I love to work from the top all the way to the bottom and from the inside and all the way out, and that's what we're doing right here. We are starting on the windows. One thing I was very fortunate and grateful to get were these tech mats. I think they're called tech mats of sorts, but they're basically mats that are placed in my car. They're inserts that I had made for my Ford Explorer, and I love pulling them out and just giving them a good wipe down and clean up and putting them back in my car. These are perfect if you have kids that are in sports such as baseball, and if you have pets such as Labradors like I do. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm giving them a good cleaning from all the pet hair, the sand, and the baseball debris. Now I'm going basically inside my car and cleaning any of the debris that's on my car, such as food buildup or any type of buildup. I'm using basically Castile soap to do this. I find car cleaners don't work well. I need that deep scrub of it, and that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going over it with a car cleaning solution to protect the leather and all of the surfaces. Now when cleaning your car, you want to make sure you use soft sponges, cloths, and whatnot. You don't want to use any harsh chemicals. I use car cleaning products, Castile soap, vinegar, and mild dish soap. When I'm going to vacuum my car, I have used a combination of a shop vac and a Dyson, and also a lint remover because of the amount of dog hair that has accumulated in my car this summer. When given a chance, I love cleaning the inside and outside of my car. Yes, it is a lot of work, but I love doing it because I get instant gratification of how amazing it does look. You can basically make your car look amazing and very well detailed just with the little elbow grease. Now it's time to work on the outside of the car, and I basically rinse my entire car to remove any loose leaves, dirt, and grime, including the bugs. I fill a bucket with the warm soapy water, and I start from the roof and work in circular motions with a sponge and clean my car. Here I'm cleaning my wheels, and basically I'm using that warm soapy water and cleaning them with a scrub brush. There's a couple things that are very key and when cleaning my car is my windows. I'm very meticulous about having clean windows, and also the bottom of my car. I live on a dirt road, and for some reason I get every morsel of dirt on my vehicle. Now with the soft cloth, I'm giving the car a good drying, and then I'm going to put on a wax. This is a little time consuming when putting on a wax, but the result is amazing. Did I mention one thing I love about doing my car, or even going to a car wash that does it, is cleaning inside my door jambs, and that's what I'm doing here. When you do apply wax to your car, you have to make sure you buff it out all the way, because you'll have little smudge marks. So like I said before, this is time consuming, but so worth it in the end. And there you have it, a well-detailed car. It looks amazing. I did spray a protectant on my wheels, and I think my car looks amazing. If you love cleaning videos, give me a thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys soon.